Are you looking for an easy way to make a few hundred or even thousands of dollars online, just within a small period of time? If yes, then you have done the right thing when decided to watch this video. As today, I will be introducing you a new make money strategy that doesn't require you to make any investments at all. This new website I'm about to show you, and where you also start earning your money, is 100% free to access and join for anyone from anywhere around the world. This means that there are no country restrictions whatsoever. Whether you're from United States, Philippines, Sweden, or Italy, you can also make money on that site. The best part about this new method is that you can do it wherever you want, and you can use whatever device you prefer. You can do it on your computer, laptop, and even on your smartphone. Just make sure to have an internet connection as well. Your only job would be copying and pasting and clicking on a few buttons, which would take less than 30 minutes a day. And what I love the most about this website is that it's 90% done for you. And once you have clicked on the buttons, it will start working on autopilot for you. Now, if you're truly serious about making money and even turning this into passive income, then make sure to pay very close attention to every detail in this video and do not skip any parts, because only that way you will make money with this new strategy. You can just continue watching this video. But before we start, welcome to Make Money Emma, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about this video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now, let's get back to the video. The first step you can take is going to Google and search, for example, French Bulldog. Then find an image that you like the most and simply save it to your device, just like that. I decided to search for a French Bulldog because it is currently the most popular dog breed. You can search for whatever dog breed you like. The next step would be going to another website, that is REMOVE.BG. This is the site that I have also shown in my previous videos. And on this site, you're able to remove the background of the image that you just saved to your device. And to do that, just click on Upload Image, or you can also drag and drop the image file over here. When you have done that, then you can see how the background is being removed just within seconds. After that, you can simply save the file to your device. Next on, I will be showing you how and where exactly you're going to use your image and make money with it on autopilot. The third step would be going to the website where you're going to earn your money, and that is TEESPRING.com. On this exact site, you're going to make money with the image you just saved to your device. You will be doing that by creating and selling your own products on the website. Don't worry, you're not required to have any designing skills or any knowledge about this topic at all, as everything on this website will be working on autopilot once you have set up all the things needed. As said before, you will be selling your own designs at Teespring, and you can do that without investing any of your money and also without any hassle or risks. Basically, you're going to upload your own design on this website, which can be printed to whatever item you want. Whether it's a hoodie, t-shirt, tank top, and so on. Once you have created a product with your design on it, then anyone can come to this website all over the world and buy it. And when a customer buys your item, then Teespring will immediately start working on it. This means they will print the design to the product and also ship it out to your customer. That way you don't need to worry about how and where to storage products, about shipping them out, and not even customer service. Teespring will do all that for you. And altogether, it is called print on demand, meaning designs will be printed on products and shipped out when demanded as purchased by customers. It's time to continue on with step number 4, and that is creating a free account on Teespring. You can do that by clicking on Start Creating. After doing that, you will be redirected to the next page where you're required to fill in your information in order to sign up. First, you need to add your name or your brand name in here. Then fill in your email address, create the password. After that, confirm you're not a robot by clicking on this box here. And finally, click on Sign Up. Or if you want, you can also create an account just by using your existing Facebook, Google, or YouTube account. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get back to the video. Once you have signed in, then you can go to your account's profile to set up your Teespring store by adding some necessary information. You can add your store name in here, like I have done it. Over here, you can click on the product listing display preferences and choose the one you prefer. Once you have added all the information in here, then make sure to save it by clicking on Update Info. And in here, you can see two options to receive your earnings from Teespring. These are PayPal and Payoneer. If you want to receive payments through PayPal, then make sure to create yourself a PayPal account as well. If you would like to use Payoneer, then you can create a new account by going to Payoneer.com if you don't have one yet. I would now like to show you how to create a product with your design on it. You can do that by clicking on Create in here. By doing that, you can see so many different items you're able to add your design to. I have chosen to add the design to the most popular item on this site, and that is a premium tee. I'll just click on it. After that, we will be redirected to this page where you can see this t-shirt. Now, the next thing we will be doing is uploading the design, and by that I mean the photo we saved to our device. You can do that by clicking on Add Image, and then choose the file from your computer or smartphone. Once you have done that, then you can see your image on the t-shirt. You can then make the image a bit larger or smaller just by dragging it. When that is done, then you can go over to this section here and add more color variations, so that your potential customers would have more colors to choose from. If you have picked out the background colors, then click on Done. The next part would be setting your product's price. As you can see, Teespring has automatically chosen the price for $26.99. And if you also sell with that price, then your profit would be almost $11. Here's a bonus tip I want to share with you. I actually recommend choosing the exact price that you can see over here, as Teespring knows what customers prefer to buy on their website and which price range is the best. Also, people usually don't want to pay more than $30 for a t-shirt. So, the lower you keep the price on the product, the more people are willing to buy it. If you keep the price like this, with the $11 profit and 10 people buy that t-shirt, then you have earned $110. That's a pretty good amount of money for selling one t-shirt. Now, imagine how much you will be earning when you create more products with your design on it. This means within 1 month, you will be making thousands of dollars online. When you have created your first product in Teespring, then the last step would be going over to social media and promoting your new item. The best place to do that is by going to Facebook. And over there, simply search for French Bulldog. Make sure to look for groups. After finding some big groups, then all you need to do is simply joining them. When you have been accepted, then you can post the link of your Teespring store with a photo of the new product you just added to your shop. Just take a screenshot of the t-shirt and add your link to the post. Once you have done it, then all you need to do is just wait for people to come and purchase your designed t-shirt. And that's how easily you can start earning passive income with this new method I just showed you. And that's it. This is Make Money Emma. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.